till I can get my satisfaction. 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 Satisfaction.
Push me, and then just hurt me, till I can get my satisfaction. 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 Satisfaction.
Yeah, we're playing my ringtones. That's yeah. Okay. He said okay. And we just feel like
Talking about her boyfriend?
Isn't that sweet? He might call in like 2.2 seconds.
And it's on my phone.
Yes. You guys look to hear his voice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
His name is Austin. What? You look like a cheerleader. Doesn't she look like a cheerleader? I don't know.
It's tricky. Just
Leave
kidding.
a comment saying if she looks like a cheerleader.
Leave it below. Hey ho. And I got my hair cut. Oh, he's calling. Really? Ready? Hello?
Hi.
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, hi. Yeah. Did you eat?
Yeah.
Okay. Did you win your game?
Yeah.
That's good. What time was it? I didn't know what time it was, so I couldn't go.
It's 4 o'clock or 4:15.
Told you.
I didn't know.
Told you it was at 4:15.
Who cares?
Well, you were like, oh, I don't think so. Wasn't it later? So I was right again. Wow.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. Shut up.
No.
Yeah. Why you gotta whisper, Josie?
I'm not whispering.
I think you are. Okay, this
It's called coffee, and there's a difference between
is
whispering.
done.
Yeah.
Okay, it's done. To the yeah. Whoa, is it ended? No, it's not. I don't get your camera.
I'll press the